Hello, today we will guide you through how to remove Cloudflare from Chrome. In this walkthrough, we'll be using the Chrome browser settings to clear out the browsing data that may be connected to Cloudflare prompts or cached verification pages. If you're seeing repeated Cloudflare checks, challenged screens, or loading issues in Chrome, this process can often help refresh the browser and remove stored data that may be causing the problem. To begin, open your Chrome browser and make sure you're on the main browser window. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the three-dot menu. This opens Chrome's main options menu, where you can access the browser's settings and management tools. From that menu, click on Settings. This will take you to Chrome's settings page, where you can control privacy, security, and browsing data options. On the left-hand side, or within the main settings categories depending on your layout, select Privacy and Security. This is the section where Chrome stores the tools for clearing saved browsing information, cookies, and cached files. Next, click on Delete. In some Chrome versions, this may appear as the option to clear browsing data. This is the area that lets you remove saved browser information that could be linked to Cloudflare sessions. When the Clear Browsing Data window appears, click on the Time Range option and choose All Time. Selecting All Time is important because it ensures Chrome removes the full history of relevant cached files and cookies, rather than only recent activity. After choosing All Time, click Delete again to confirm. This final step clears the stored browsing data from Chrome. Once the deletion is complete, Chrome will remove the cookies and cached files that may have been triggering or preserving Cloudflare-related checks in your browser. After finishing, it's a good idea to close Chrome completely and reopen it before testing the site again. That helps make sure the changes take effect cleanly. Keep in mind that clearing browsing data may also sign you out of some websites. So if needed, be ready to log back in afterward. And that's it. You've now gone through the process of removing Cloudflare-related browser data from Chrome by clearing the stored information in your privacy and security settings.